will show you how to design and configure a virtual LAN on AWS using VPC with two subnets, one public and one private. Let's get started. First, go to VPC, click on Create VPC, choose VPC and more, keep the name as My VPC. The IPv4 CIDR block should be 10.0.0.0/16. The number of availability zones should be 1. Number of public subnets should be 1. Number of private subnets 1. NAT gateways none and other settings as default. Create VPC. First, I'm creating a VPC called my VPC with CIDR 10.0.0.0/16. This will act as my virtual LAN inside AWS. As you can see, the VPC has been created. Next, go to subnets. Refresh the page. Here you can see that two subnets has automatically been created. One is public and another is private. Go to Internet Gateways. You can see an Internet gateway already attached to our VPC, my VPC. The Internet gateway lets the public subnet connect to the Internet just like your home router. Next, go to route tables. You should find two route tables. One is public, and another is private. The public route sends traffic to the Internet gateway, while the private route is internal only, perfect for secure resources like databases. Next, go to EC2, click on Launch Instance. Name it something like this. Choose Amazon Linux here. For network, choose the VPC we have just created, my VPC. And for the publics, and for the subnet, choose public subnet. Enable auto assign public IP. Keep other settings as default and click on Launch Instance. Choose Proceed without keyword. Click on Launch Instance. Now, create another instance for private subnet. Choose Amazon Linux. Under the network settings, choose My VPC. Under subnets, choose the private subnet. Enable this. Leave other settings as default and click on Launch Instance. Proceed without a key pair. Launch. So now I'm launching one instance in public subnet and another in private subnet. The public one can reach the internet, but the private one stays isolated, just like a real LAN setup. So that's how you create a virtual LAN on AWS with one public subnet for internet access and one private subnet for secure internal communication. Now let's check the internet access for each one. First, choose the public one and click on connect. Here in the terminal, type ping google.com. As you can see, it is connected to the internet. This confirms the public subnet instance can access the internet through the internet gateway. Now let's test for the private instance. Click on connect. Here you can see that the instance is not in a public subnet. That means we cannot access the internet through this instance. Even though the private instance doesn't have public IP, it's still reachable internally from public instance. That's the power of VLAN. So that's how our virtual LAN is a cute cloud network with public and private subnets. The public one handles the internet traffic, while the private one is internal only. Thank you.